today we'll perform PCM generation and demodulation. The full form of PCM is pulse code modulation technique. It will convert analog signal into digital through three processes, respectively sampling process, quantization process and encoding process. Right, so let us see what is the connection diagram in this trainer kit. So for PCM, as usual, we require continuous time or analog signal. So you can see here AC source, it will generate sinusoidal signal and that will be our input of PCM. You can change the frequency of your input signal through this switch frequency, and here through this switch you can change the amplitude of your input analog signal. So this signal is connected with the PCM transmitter. So this block is corresponding to PCM transmitter, and here this is the block for receiver. Here we are giving analog input. Other important signals required are clock for the synchronization between transmitter and receiver. So here the clock are generating two signals, channel clock signal and other is bit clock. Channel clock and bit clock. So one is required for bit synchronization and other is required for frame synchronization. The output of the transmitter is in digital form, in the form of 1 and zeros. For 1 we will be using high voltage, positive voltage value, and for 0 we will be using 0 volt. So here the data will be converted into serial form, which is transmitted through this wire at the receiver. Here receiver input, you can see receiver will recover analog signal from the digital data. So finally here we will get recovered signal. So this is all about connection of the PCM trainer kit. Now let us see the waveform. So first I will show you the input signal on the DSO screen. So this is DSO screen in which the yellow signal is our input signal. Then another signal I will show you is channel clock and bit clock. Before that, let us see the output of PCM, that is in digital form. So you can see here the yellow one is our input signal and the purple on channel 2, that is our digital converted data output of PCM. Now we will see the bit clock and channel clock. So the yellow waveform at channel 1 is channel clock and the purple one is bit clock. So bit clock is much faster than the channel clock. Now we will see the recovered signal, the final output of PCM, and we will compare it with our input also. Yes, so you can see the input on channel 1 and output recovered signal from the digital received data on channel 2. So both are quite similar. So through the PCM we can transmit analog signal in digital form, and at the receiver side from that digital data the analog signal is recovered.